Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to wrap up your financial year without any headaches, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to review your year-end checklist in QuickBooks, step by step, so your books are accurate and ready for a smooth year-end close. Let's dive in. First, let's make sure your financial year settings are correct. In QuickBooks Online, go to Settings, then Account and Settings, and click Advanced. Confirm that the first month of your financial year is accurate. This ensures all your reports and summaries reflect the right periods. Next, it's time to run your standard financial reports. Navigate to the Reports menu, select Standard Reports, and check key reports like your balance sheet and profit and loss. These reports give you a clear snapshot of your company's financial health and help spot any discrepancies. Once your reports are ready, review all account balances. Make sure customer and vendor balances are up to date and that no transactions are missing. Don't forget to clear any outstanding deposits. Check the undeposited funds account and ensure all bank deposits are recorded correctly. Reconciliation is critical. Perform monthly reconciliations for all your accounts to ensure consistency and accuracy. This prevents errors from piling up and gives you peace of mind that your data is reliable. Payroll is another major area to review. In QuickBooks Online, go to Payroll, then Employees. Select an employee and check their pay types, schedules, deductions, and company contributions. For QuickBooks Desktop, go to the Employee Center, select an employee, and double-click their name to review payroll info. Make sure everything is correct. This avoids surprises during tax season. Once your accounts and payroll are reviewed, it's a good idea to collaborate with your accountant. They can help with reclassifying transactions, preparing VAT returns, and handling profit distributions. Finally, after everything is double-checked, you can close your books for the year. This step locks your financial data and ensures a smooth start for the new year. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a thorough review of your QuickBooks year-end checklist, keeping your accounts accurate and your business ready for the new year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and here's to a smooth, stress-free year-end